हो गया।
हाँ
ठीक है,
हाँ,
आ रहा है।
मीटिंग चालू हो गया सर।
ऑलराइट। अच्छा, ये हमारा स्क्रीन बहुत छोटा इसमें नजर आ रहा है, इसको थोड़ा हम
सर
लोग
आप
मैक्सिमाइज।
सर आप अपने स्क्रीन के ऊपर डबल क्लिक, इसमें एक बार क्लिक कर दीजिए। स्क्रीन के ऊपर क्लिक कर, जहाँ पे वीडियो आ रही है उस पर क्लिक कर दीजिए, डबल क्लिक।
एक बार डबल क्लिक
किया नहीं हो रहा है।
इसको जरा ड्रैग करें क्या? हेलो,
हाँ जी।
इसको ड्रैग करें क्या एक बार हम लोग?
नहीं नहीं, ड्रैग करने की जरूरत नहीं है सर। उसको आप आपने लेफ्ट साइड में क्या क्लिक किया था? टीम्स में आप एक काम करिए, लेफ्ट साइड में कैलेंडर में थे ना आप?
हाँ हाँ, कैलेंडर से
अब
तो ज्वाइन किया।
हाँ, तो स्क्रीन के ऊपर डबल क्लिक कर दीजिए सर, आपका आ जाएगा। जो आपका वीडियो जहाँ पे आ रहा है ना सर, वहां पे डबल क्लिक कर दीजिए।
नहीं तो एक भी इशू नहीं।
पता नहीं, अभी तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग। ओके, एनीवेज, ये अभी कोई बात नहीं। आई कैन सी अ फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स ओवर हियर। हम लोग इसी में शुरू करते हैं ना, बाकी
ठीक
चैट से हम
सर।
लोग शेयर करते हैं, ठीक है?
हाँ, चैट से आप शेयर कर लीजिए सर।
ऑलराइट, ओके, नाउ वी विल बिगिन द सेशन। एम आई ऑडिबल टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, ग्रेट।
Yes, sir.
अभी अभी हम लोग चैट बॉक्स में अभी सेशंस, क्योंकि अभी हम लोग उसके बाद डाउट्स हम नॉट इन।
आई रिक्वेस्ट, सबको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि अपना अपना माइक्रोफोन ऑफ कर दें। हाँ सर, अभी बोलिए।
All right. So welcome everyone to this live session through Microsoft Teams of Certificate in Russian Language online mode, offered by School of Foreign Languages, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Now, as you know that India is facing health crisis of the coronavirus or COVID-19. That is why we have started this important facility that we will be talking to you through Microsoft Teams in a live session like this one today. Many thanks to our Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Nageshwar Rao, and Director COE, Professor Uma Kanjila, and the entire team of COE, and as well as many friends and colleagues from ICNO. As you know that we have started our program, which is Certificate in Russian Language in online mode, which is a 20 credit program, and it has 2 courses, right? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes,
Yes
audible.
sir, you're audible sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we shall talk about the program strategy, as many of you must be having several questions related how to go ahead with the study, how to go ahead with the study material, how to go ahead with the live sessions, and how to go ahead with the preparation for the final exam. So I'll begin with the first one, that as far as the program is concerned, it has been divided into 3 parts. We have 2 courses of 8 credits each, which is known as the Basics of Russian Communication Skills Part 1 and Basics of Russian Communication Skills Part 2, which is having 8 credits each. Now, the 4 credit would be a project. As far as the assessment is concerned, we shall be having the continuous assessment, and for the final, which is the examination, we will be having the final examination, which would be conducted by the NTA. All right. And you will be notified very soon for the registration for the examination. And we will also be discussing with you some mock test, and we will also be having some assignments. And I would like to request everybody, don't worry at all, because with the help of these live sessions, we will be having a variety of questions in the MCQ forms, in the SAQs forms. We will discuss each and every aspect of the syllabus with you all. And suppose in some cases or in some circumstances, if anyone chooses not to go ahead for the examination this time, then need not to worry, because your program fee is valid for 1 year. All right. So this is a 6 months program, but your fee is valid for 1 year. So don't worry at all. Second thing is how to go ahead with the syllabus. As you know, the syllabus is very important in order to understand the basic feature of the Russian language, grammar, its phonetics. So that is why if you look at the study material which we have uploaded on the eGyan course, all right. Mithun, I would like to request you to share the link from the eGyan course also sometime later. All right. It's available on eGyan course portal. You just copy it and paste it so that if in case somebody doesn't have the study material, they can access it freely 24/7.
Sure, sir.
Now, if you go through the units, we have started the program in a unit or block wise. If you look at the units, it started from the alphabet, then vowels and consonant, then basic grammar rules, then the gender in Russian, then nouns, then and many other important aspects. Okay, so with these feature, if you happen to see some of our videos, which are modules, and our e-content which is available there, you must be well aware that it's a new foreign language. How should we learn from it? Then you have to employ a strategy for that. Suppose we follow two kinds of approach for teaching or learning. One is communicative method, which we are using, in which we will not go into the minute details of the grammar. We will go into the conversational style. Second is the direct method, in which we will go, with the Russian language. We'll start with its rules and its phonetics, and then we will learn the language. So you have to choose which method is more appropriate. Would you like to learn the greetings first? Would you like to learn the phrases first? Would you like to learn a few simple sentences first? Or would you like to go for the rules first? So it depends upon the learner to learner which methodology suit them best. So we have employed these two different strategy. But however, for the interactive sessions like these one, we will be having the communicative method. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Right. All right. Yes. Yes. I'll just take
Hello.
5 minutes more. 5 minutes more. Then we will have a question answer. All right. For 10 minutes, then we'll go to the syllabus. Okay. Okay. All right.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
Now let's discuss about the syllabus we have already discussed. Now let's discuss about the evaluation methodology. Okay. So you will be having a few assignments. It is a part of the continuous assessment. Okay. And for these assignments, it will be uploaded on the portal itself. You can download that. You can either write in, you can give it in handwritten notes and take a picture or save it as PDF and upload it. Second is that you can take a picture and you can use it as image and upload it. Suppose somebody is proficient in Russian typing, because we also happen to see some students who say that, sir, we know Russian language already. We would like to pursue for certification. They are also welcome. For that matter, we would request if somebody wants, they can type also the Word document, save it as PDF, and then upload. Okay, so you have three options. You handwrite it, save it as picture, or save it as PDF, or type it. You have three options. Am I clear now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sandeep Kumar,
Yes,
please
sir.
switch off your microphone. And whenever sir is asking for yes or no, please write it on your chat board. I mean, on chat, please write yes or no. And or else, if you keep on switching on off your microphone, the session will be disturbed. भास्कर सर, आप चैट में देख लीजिएगा कि इनको सुन रहा है कि नहीं सुन रहा है, वरना ये अपना माइक ऑन करेंगे बीच में तो सर ये पूरा सेशन आपका थोड़ा सा जर्की हो जाएगा.
Okay, okay.
आपको चैट में दिख रहा है सर, साइड में चैट दिख रहा है?
हाँ, चैट का वो नोटिफिकेशंस पॉपअप हो रहे हैं, आई कैन सी दैट. Okay, so now I would like to request learners. The first thing is clear to everyone that we will be having assignments, and these assignments can be replied to via 3 different modes. Take a picture or handwrite it and save it as PDF, and you can type it also. Now the evaluation methodology is second most important part. The second most important part is that you have to prepare for both the courses simultaneously at the same time, the communication skills part 1 and the communication skills part 2. All right, these two courses simultaneously focus on two different aspects of Russian. The first aspect is reading, writing. The second aspect is listening and speaking, because in language learning it is very important to understand all these 4 parts equally in a very efficient manner. Because when we say that I am learning a language, you're not only learning how to write a language, you also learn how to speak that language. And that is why when you say that I am learning a language, I could speak the language, I could write the language, I can listen to language in a correct manner. And that is why while reading and writing, listening and speaking comes hand in hand, then only you would learn the language. But mind you please that our focus is the basic Russian. So the target is, the aim is that you will only be learning the language as far as the basic conversation is concerned. You will not be the master of the language in first go, but you would be getting a lot of different aspect of the Russian grammar and phonetics that if you work harder, you would be proficient in the language. So as far as the content is concerned, you can look at the content, and as far as the phonetics is concerned, you would also be having our audio and video. So you can practice, and whenever we will be having our live sessions, you can share so that we can test your pronunciation. All right. Okay, I hope I am clear to everyone. Now we will take questions one by one. We will allot 10 minutes to that. Then I will answer to the questions, and then we will go to the first PPT where we will discuss the Russian alphabet. And if time permit, we will go to the second PPT in which we will be discussing about the combination of different vowels and consonants of Russian. Okay, now one by one, please. We will take question one by one. Okay, and I would like to request Mithun to kindly moderate.
सर आपके राइट साइड में चैट विंडो दिख रहा है सर?
हाँ, चैट विंडो आ रहा है.
चैट में लिखा आ रहा है? चैट में टेक्स्ट आपको नजर आ रहा है सर? सर आपके राइट साइड में चैट आपको नजर आ रहा है सर?
चैट आ रहा है. मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ. देखो, नीरज कुमार मौर्य has written hello sir at 4:20 which is the latest, है ना?
जी सर. अभी स्टूडेंट आपको यहीं पे क्वेश्चंस देंगे सर, आप उसके आंसर देते रहिएगा, बिकॉज अगर सारे बोलने लगेंगे तो आप सर फिर बीच में हौश-पौश हो जाएगा. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स टू वन बाय वन पुट देयर क्वेश्चंस देयर इन द चैट विंडो.
Questions one by one. मेरा जो क्वेश्चन मैंने अभी पोस्ट किया है, इज इट विजिबल टू एवरीवन? मिथुन, कैन यू अटेस्ट टू दैट? इज इट विजिबल?
सर यहाँ पे सब लोग अपने अपने क्वेश्चन दे रहे हैं सर.
अच्छा, आपको मैंने जो अभी पोस्ट किया वो दिख रहा है? प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन.
सर आपने कौन से वाले विंडो पे किया है?
मैंने जो कॉमन चैट विंडो है जिस पे आई कुड सी दैट शिव कुमार एल इज राइटिंग, सर प्लीज मेक क्लियर अबाउट द बॉक्स.
सर आप यहाँ से जब, हाँ आपका दिखा है सर, आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक एक करके इनके क्वेश्चंस पढ़ के यू कैन आंसर सर.
ओके. अच्छा, इसमें राइट साइड में मीटिंग्स का एक वो आ रहा है, उसमें दिखा रहा है 2 मीटिंग्स नाउ, कैमरा बना हुआ है और 2 मीटिंग्स नाउ लिखा हुआ है, तो उसमें कोई इशू तो नहीं है?
नहीं नहीं, कुछ नहीं है सर।
है ना? और मुझे
आपके राइट साइड में, आपके राइट साइड में क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं सर, उनको आप रीड करके यू कैन आंसर देम वन बाय वन।
ओके ओके। सबसे पहले हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं, ठीक है? एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो 4 क्रेडिट का होगा, इट विल बी अपलोडेड एनी टाइम सून। जैसे कि आप लोग जब देखेंगे और उसमें जो भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे उनको आप एक तरीके का जो हमारा पूरा सिलेबस है उसमें जो भी सिलेबस में सवाल होंगे यूनिट वाइज, उनसे हम लोग उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। तो विद इन अ वीक और 2 वी विल बी अपलोडिंग दैट प्रोजेक्ट, ओके? और उसको कैसे हमें सॉल्व करना है उसके बारे में हम लोग गाइडलाइंस अभी नेक्स्ट वीक पे पोस्ट कर देंगे।
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ
Hello. Hello, sir.
हाँ, मैं सुन रहा हूँ, बोलिए बोलिए।
Hello.
हाँ बोलिए,
Hello,
मैं सुन
sir.
रहा
I
हूँ।
couldn't see anything, sir. I couldn't see anything, sir.
अच्छा, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Sir, you there?
Kavita Pharma. From Kerala.
अच्छा मिथुन, एक बार आप देखेंगे इनको कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा है।
कविता, व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम ऑन द चैट?
हेलो सर, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है।
तो सर, हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए।
सर ये असाइनमेंट का क्वेश्चन कहाँ है? मुझे शो ही नहीं हो रहा।
ये आप चैट में जाएंगे, उसमें आपको नजर आएगा।
रशियन ऑनलाइन क्लास नहीं है सर, पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट है।
सबसे टॉप कॉर्नर राइट साइड में मैसेज का बना है, मतलब आप उस पर क्लिक कीजिए, इस पर पड़ेगा।
अच्छा, आप अभी एक काम कीजिए, अपने क्वेश्चंस एक बार इसमें टाइप कर दीजिए। वी विल सी फॉर अ मिनट, है ना? 1 मिनट में मैं जो है आप सबके क्वेश्चंस लूंगा। आप अभी पहले अपने क्वेश्चंस टाइप कर दीजिए इसमें, ओके?
सर ये पीपीटी 1 पीपीटी 2 यही है अपना।
हाँ, इन्हीं को हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। आप जब तक अपने क्वेश्चंस इसमें डाल दीजिए।
Everyone is requested to type in their questions in the chat window. Sir will be taking it in a short while. Please.
मिथुन, स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो क्या इसके?
मैंने 1-2 लिए हैं सर।
हाँ, रख लेना उसको।
सर एक बार मेरे को आप एनी डेस्क से आपको क्लियर, आप सर क्या नाम है, शिवाजी सर, आप 1 मिनट अपना ना स्क्रीन का एक फोटो खींच के मेरे को व्हाट्सएप कीजिए। मैं थोड़ा देखना चाह रहा था कि आपको क्या व्यू नजर आ रहा है।
ओके। इसको एडिट करना पड़ेगा।
इसको नहीं, ये तो खाली 1 मिनट का वो है आपका पैराग्राफ। आप ऐसे कीजिए कि हो जाएगा ना प्रोग्राम। एक पैराग्राफ लिख के मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे, ओके? तो मैं उसको डीजी न्यूज़ में इसमें डाल दूंगा, ठीक है ना? ओके। प्रोग्राम क्या था, 1-2 क्वेश्चन लिख के मेरे को भेज दीजिएगा।
राजेश सर वो म्यूट करके बात कीजिए।
ओके।
Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So we will take a few questions. In the meantime, I would like to request everybody to stop typing the questions further. ठीक है, जिससे कि पहले हम लोग इनका सवाल का जवाब दे देते हैं, उसके बाद से अब हम लोग फिर और क्वेश्चंस लेंगे. ठीक है मिथुन, I would like to request you to announce it once again.
Please wait for sir to go with one by one answer for the given asked questions in the chat meeting.
Okay sir.
ठीक है, पहला जो इम्पोर्टेंट एक सवाल है ये असाइनमेंट के बारे में है. असाइनमेंट के अलग से मार्क्स नहीं हैं. ठीक है, असाइनमेंट्स के अलग से मार्क्स नहीं हैं, ये कॉन्टिन्यूअस असेसमेंट का ही पार्ट है. तो इसके लिए आप लोग अभी परेशान मत होइए. एक वीक में हम लोग असाइनमेंट्स आप लोगों को, जो स्वयं का हमारा पोर्टल है जहाँ पे कोर्सेज अभी हमारे आपके लिए होस्ट किए गए हैं, उसी में वो लोग इसको एक हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर इंटीग्रेट करके आपको वो दिखने लगेगा. दूसरा, एक क्वेश्चन है सर, संदीप कुमार रे सिंह, सर आई एम अनेबल टू डाउनलोड द आई कार्ड ड्यू टू सम टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स. इसके लिए संदीप आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप सीओई को एक मेल कर दीजिए और मुझे सीसी कर दीजिए, क्योंकि ये टेक्निकल इश्यूज हैं, इसको अभी हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे, लेकिन क्वेश्चन इज पर्टिनेंट, वी विल डेफिनेटली टेक इट. ओके संदीप? ओके. Now let's अब और हम लोग दूसरा सवाल लेते हैं. हाउ मेनी असाइनमेंट्स आर देयर, है ना? तो पहली चीज तो ये है कि इनकी अलग से वेटेज नहीं है, तो कितने असाइनमेंट्स होंगे उससे मुझे लगता है कोई परेशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए. हालांकि हर एक मॉड्यूल का एक असाइनमेंट होगा, तो हर वीक के हिसाब से हम लोग असाइनमेंट प्रिपेयर करेंगे. तो वीक में आपको एक एक असाइनमेंट करना होगा. ये एक बहुत सिंपल होगा, उसी में से होगा जो आपका मैटर वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी है, तो उसी में से आप देख सकते हैं. लेकिन एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि everybody has to be very creative and once they start reading and learning Russian, and उसके हिसाब से आप उसको आंसर करेंगे. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब हम लोग बोलते हैं कि राइट 4 sentences on your family, napišite 4 предложения о вашей семье, राइट अबाउट योर फैमिली. तो फैमिली के बारे में आप जब लिखेंगे तो 4 सेंटेंसेस उसको अपने अपने हिसाब से लिखिए, उसको क्रिएटिवली लिखिए और उसको हम लोग देखेंगे. इट वुड बी अ प्रैक्टिस फॉर यू, बिकॉज जब हम लोग फाइनल एग्जाम लेंगे तो उसमें भी 1-2 सवाल ऐसे जरूर हम लोग करेंगे. हाँ, आवाज आ रही है?
So please communicate with us in English, sir.
Acha, okay. I am saying that as far as assignments are concerned, we will be having one assignment every week, and you can answer with the help of the content which you are getting. And since there is no direct weightage in the assignment, so don't worry about it. We will be having the weightage overall for the continuous assessment and term and that is the final exam. And project is of 4 credit. It would be provided to you in a 1 or 2 weeks time. You can fill it, scan it, or as a PDF you can share, and if somebody is comfortable in typing, they can also type it and then upload it on the Swayam portal itself. We will be opening a window for that in a week or 2 weeks time. Okay, so don't worry.
Sir.
Yeah.
One question. Sir, असाइनमेंट सर जो यहाँ पे पीपीटी जो दिया है, ये असाइनमेंट है कि जो स्वयं पोर्टल पे है वो असाइनमेंट है?
नहीं, ये पीपीटी तो हमारा क्लास से जो हमारा जो डिस्कशन होगा आज का, जैसे हो क्या रहा है कि अभी फेस टू फेस तो अभी तक कोई डिस्कशन हो नहीं पाया है ना. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. तो सपोज कीजिए उसमें कोई वर्ड लिखा हुआ है, मान लीजिए मला को लिखा है, और आप उसको ठीक से नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं बिकॉज अभी तक आपने उसको
Sorry for interrupting you in between, sir. Sir, please, may I request you to please talk in English because half of the, I think the participants are from the nationwide and they won't be able to understand the Hindi as much. I am from Delhi, sir. I can understand, but maximum participant won't.
Don't worry, don't worry. Even if I am answering in Hindi, I will repeat in English also. Okay, don't worry.
Yes,
So
sir,
the
please go ahead.
okay, don't worry. So the thing is that whenever we are having the PPT which we are having today, it is just for practice. It is not part of the assignment. It is not part of the project as of now, but it is a part of the overall learning. And it is from the content only. It is not from outside. So this is very important. You go through the PPT, and when you see some of the sentences, some of the words in it, and in days ahead, you will also be getting grammar rules and phonetics rule. So that way you have to prepare accordingly. And as far as pronunciation is concerned, these kind of sessions would help you enormously so that you can understand how to pronounce Russian in perfect manner. Okay, this is the main reason why we are having the face-to-face live session online. This is the precise reason. And as far as the content is concerned, audio video is concerned, it is all already available. You can have access directly. Suppose if somebody is not having the access directly, they would send an email to me or to COE. We will share it instantly. Okay. Now let's take.
And sir, yeah. Will this exam postponed or will it happen on same date, 7 or 8 May?
As of now, the date is fixed. It is 10th of May. In the first half and the second half, you will be having your 2 examinations. Okay. Same day.
And sir,
you have your examination. As of now, I don't know whether it will be postponed or it is the authorities to decide. However, you can request. You can write us an email that due to so and so issues or any other issues or any other problem, you would like to request us to postpone, then we'll see to it. Because NTA is conducting the examination. It is not us. We have already given the dates. We have already given everything. So they will be conducted. But suppose if you or the majority of students want some shift, then they can reach us. They can write us an email so that we can request the authorities, if possible, to postpone. Okay.
And sir, this exam will be happen on exam center पे ही होगा ना sir, ये कि online?
Exactly. अभी हाल, because see, as of now in India, whenever we talk about examination, it is always going to the center and give examination, whether you pen paper or the computer based test, but one has to go to a center. But suppose due to the situation of COVID-19, everybody is cautioned not to go outside. We will definitely like to request the authorities to do it online, but it has to be seen because so far it has not been done. So it is a new thing, but you can request. There is no issue in that. Okay.
One question more, sir. One question more.
Okay.
सर ये जब ऑनलाइन एडमिशन से जब लिया तो विदाउट एड्रेस ही कंफर्म हो गया एडमिशन, सर तो मैंने आपको एक मेल भी भेजा था.
देखिए उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है. देखिए अभी जैसे आप लोगों का एनरोलमेंट कंफर्म हो रहा है तो पोर्टल में वो द पोर्टल विल बी हैविंग अ फीचर वेयर यू कैन चेंज योर एड्रेस. ओके, यू कैन चेंज योर एड्रेस.
नो इशू. मिला ही नहीं कहीं.
अभी it has not been opened yet, but the feature will be provided very soon. Okay, don't worry. You can send us email regarding that. As far as this session is concerned, let's focus on the Russian grammar and Russian phonetics and related to the syllabus, related to the examination, related to the assignments, project. Okay. Now let's go to a different.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah, sir. The videos are not in order.
Videos are not okay.
In order. The mail what you have sent, sir, the initial mail of the 2 modules, sir. Okay. We have to one video. Maybe it is advanced video will come. Advanced. The basics will not come sometimes.
Okay. It is because of the sequencing. We are looking into the issue. As soon as we are because many experts are there, no? Many
Okay.
experts are there. As soon as we are getting their videos, we are
Sir,
posting it. Don't worry.
Sir,
Don't worry.
am I visible to
Okay.
you? Am I
This
visible
is,
to you?
what is your name? Vagish.
Sunil
Vagish.
Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you are visible.
Sir, sir,
From
I'm
Bangalore.
Sunil
Yeah.
Kumar. Sunil Kumar
One by
from
one. One by one.
Kochi.
One.
Am I visible to you?
Sunil Kumar,
Yes, sir.
your voice is coming. I think your video is off. You can click on that camera and then you will be visible. Just click it.
Okay, right, sir.
And Vajish, you please wait for one minute. Let me listen to
Sure, sir.
Sunil's
Sure.
issue. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Sunil. Okay. Sunil. Sunil.
सर
आप बता दीजिए वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा कोई, हाँ प्लीज
ठीक है सर, मैं देख रहा हूँ सेटिंग्स।
बोलिए प्लीज। सेटिंग्स छोड़ दीजिए, आपका वॉइस हमें सुन रहे हैं हम लोग। आप अपना इशू क्वेश्चन जो है वो पूछिए फटाफट। Okay, let's get back to Vajish then. Is visible to us?
Yes, sir.
Vajish, as far as the modules are concerned, we are doing it in a modular approach. So sometimes what happens that if we find some important video of an expert which talks about an author or talks about a folk story, then we post it. But in a week or 2 weeks time, we will be having the entire package in a sequential manner as far as the syllabus is concerned, and then you'll get it. Okay.
Okay, sir. The thing is, like on the right side, you are visible now, sir. On that, the videos are appearing. Na? That is the option where we will get the videos.
Where?
On the mail what you are sent, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
You will be giving the introduction of the Russian course. Na? In that, the videos are available. That way, right? It is.
Yes. And do one more thing. Suppose if something is not clear or something has not been answered, you can write me an email after the session so that I can reply to one. Okay.
And sir, the exam will be on May 10th, but the course will be till June. Na? Like the exam will be early or how it is, sir?
On 10th of May, as of now.
Yeah, but the course, the course term is till June, no, sir?
Exactly. We are having a 6 months course.
Okay.
But if you remember, I have spoken about that NTA will be conducting.
Okay.
NTA have their own specific dates, and for that they have given 10th of May. So the examination will happen on 10th of May. It will not go further till June.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. The mobile number what I have given in the application form, it's wrongly mentioned. So how to change that?
You send us an email to me and COE. We will look into the matter. Technical matter we will take up later. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Neeraj.
Hello.
एक बार let's listen to Sunil now. Neeraj, you please wait, huh? Okay, Sunil. Okay. विजीश आप अपना म्यूट कर दीजिए। हाँ सुनील बोलिए। हेलो।
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलिए।
Sir, I am Mahesh, sir. Hello.
हाँ बोलिए, हम लोग सुन रहे हैं, बोलिए प्लीज। सुनिए। हेलो
सर, अगर आप इस बार असाइनमेंट्स नहीं लिख पा रहे तो इज इट ओके सर इफ वी गिव द एग्जाम इन दिसंबर?
हाँ, नो इश्यूज। सपोज people who are planning to go for the December examination, they need not to pay the fee again. One thing is clear.
Yes.
Second thing is that assignments and project is valid for 6 months only. So if you submit it now and we evaluate, then you can carry on the marks to the next. But suppose if you appear for the examination, then and if you fail, then your course will be finished. So for the next time you have to pay the fee again.
Sir, but my doubt is that now the assignments will be uploaded. And if we don't write them, and again they will be uploaded for those who write the exam in December, is it possible or not?
No. Assignment C. Assignment doesn't have any credit weightage. Assignments have no credit weightage.
Okay.
Project has 4 credit weightage. So project is more important. Continuous assessment, as we are doing the session, it is also part of continuous assessment. We'll give full marks.
Okay.
But as far as project is concerned, even if you are appearing for the online classes or doing all kind of things, but not writing your project, not submitting, then you will not be passing the course.
Okay, sir.
Now the examination, you have to appear for the examination. Without passing in the examination, you will not be getting the certificate.
Okay.
But without assignment, you will get the certificate.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Clear.
So what about the hard copy of the study material, sir? We have opted for it when we applied.
Hard copy is not there because it is an online program, so everything is in soft copy.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, can you please repeat, sir, how it is the assignment and the exam part, how it is?
Okay. Assignment is a part of the continuous assessment. Even if you don't give your assignments, you will pass. But if you don't give your project, then you will be failed because project is compulsory.
Sir, what about the
Good
study
afternoon.
material, sir?
One by one.
Sir, this is Amit. What about study material, sir? Will it be delivered to us or not?
Study material is already available on eGap Course portal. You can have free of cost access to it. We will share the link also. And it is available already. Suppose if somebody does not have the study material, write us an email. We will send you instantly.
Sir, my question is, will it be available in hard copy or not, sir?
Hard copy is not there because the program is online. Whenever we talk about online, means soft copy.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now we will take the question of. Please pardon me.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Minam.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Who's that?
Sir, Sivakumar.
Hello.
Sir, this is Sivakumar.
Okay.
అప్లోడ్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాడు సార్ నేను డిసెంబర్లో ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తే వినపడింది
Mithun, I'm not able to listen. I'm not able to listen.
Yeah, please switch off your microphone. Everyone should not speak at once. One by one, you need to speak. When somebody is speaking, please mute your microphone. If somebody is speaking, please don't speak in between.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. Mayank Sharma this side, sir. Sir, am I audible, sir? Sir, my first query is regarding the project, sir. You told that the assignments is not having any weightage and it is the weightage of the project only. So when that project will be uploaded onto the site, sir?
In 1 or 2 weeks time.
Okay, sir. And sir, the exams is on the, as you have told, is on the 10th of May. And the registration for that term and examination.
Registration window will also come in a week or 2 weeks time on the SWAYAM portal.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am a defense personnel, sir. I am basically from Delhi and posted in Kochi, sir. So examination center can be at any of the all over the country, anywhere we can give exam.
Exactly. You will also be having a list of examination centers all over India. Suppose
Sorry
suppose
for
if you are from Delhi but you are stationed in Kochi, you can give exam in Kochi.
Okay, while filling up the online application for the TE, we have to select our selection center and then accordingly we will give exams.
Yeah. See, one more thing I would like to clear. In IGNOU, you must have seen that we conduct term and examination, and we have assignments, and people are having duration like 2 years for certificate. This is an online course. In this, project is there, assignment is not important.
Yes.
In this,
and sir, for
examination will be conducted by NTA, not by IGNOU.
Okay. On the 10th of May, sir, we will be having 2 exams on the same day. One in the forenoon session, one will be in the afternoon session.
Exactly. Forenoon, afternoon, we will be having 2 exams.
Sir, it will be one general query, sir. It will be an online exam or a pen paper exam, sir? Means what is the normal pattern of the exam will be like?
You will get the MCQs on a computer in that center.
Okay, sir. So like time duration, 1 hour exams for both the exams. Like that's it.
For duration, it's 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours.
And sorry, sir, it might be looking like a silly question, sir. After the completion of the course, sir, the certificates along with that grade card will be posted in hard copy to our residential address.
It will be generated online.
Okay, sir.
You can take the printout.
Okay, sir. Got sir. Thank you, sir. I'm over with my questions.
All right. Okay, now let's take a few more.
Hello, sir.
Questions.
Hello.
बोलिए. Yeah.
Sir, am I audible? Hello.
Hello. You are audible. Please.
Sir, assignment link.
अपना नाम जरूर बताइए. अपना नाम जरूर बताइए.
नीरज कुमार.
हाँ बोलिए.
सर ये असाइनमेंट सबमिशन का जो लिंक है मतलब स्वयं पोर्टल पे अवेलेबल होगा कि ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम इस एप्लीकेशन पे अवेलेबल होगा?
आपका स्वयं पे जो हमारे कोर्स चल रहे हैं वहाँ पे आएगा और हम लोग ऐसे जब सेशंस करेंगे उसमें भी हम शेयर कर देंगे, तो आप घबराइए नहीं उस चीज के लिए.
और सर एग्जाम जो है सर ये सब्जेक्टिव है कि ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि मिक्स है?
ये एमसीक्यूज होगा सिर्फ.
अच्छा ऑब्जेक्टिव है.
हाँ एमसीक्यू होगा. बोलिए.
वो मतलब पैराग्राफ राइटिंग ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा ना सर?
नहीं अभी हाल फिलहाल तो एमसीक्यूज है.
हाँ तो फिर कीबोर्ड यूज करना पड़ेगा सर, उतना टाइपिंग है नहीं ना.
तो उसमें तो आपको सिर्फ ऑप्शंस क्लिक करना है ना, उसमें तो माउस रहेगा बस, उससे और ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है आपको.
अच्छा सर वन क्वेश्चन मोर सर, ये जो पीपीटी के असाइनमेंट एंड प्रोजेक्ट तो वेटेज सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट पे है?
वेटेज सिर्फ 2 चीज की है, एक आपका प्रोजेक्ट और दूसरा आपका फाइनल एग्जाम.
और पीपीटी असाइनमेंट सर ये प्रैक्टिस के लिए है?
ये सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए है.
इज इट सर?
हाँ एकदम सही बोल रहे हैं आप. ये सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए है. वेटेज सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट का है और आपका टर्म एंड एग्जामिनेशन जिसे बोलते हैं हम लोग या फाइनल एग्जाम उसका है.
Hello sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir,
Who's that? नाम
yeah, my name is Samira Ashraf. Sir, I would like to know these live sessions are there, no sir? How many days do we have these live sessions in a week, or is it every day?
No, it's on Wednesday and Saturday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Wednesday to Saturday or Wednesday and Saturday?
Wednesday and Saturday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. एक घंटे के 2 सेशन होंगे आपके हफ्ते में, हर बुधवार को और हर शनिवार को.
Okay. And sir, these live sessions attendance is compulsory?
It's not compulsory, but it is a part of the continuous assessment, which is having 30% weightage. So if you join, it would always be better, but it is not compulsory.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, project उसमें कुछ creative करने का होता है या just answering the questions you will be given?
Who's that? आप अपना नाम जरूर बताइए, because in screen I cannot see.
Mahesh. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, Is the project creative or just to answer the questions that are given? I mean, how it will be their project?
Some of the questions will be creative. Suppose I will ask you write 10 sentences about your city in Russian. Write 10 sentences about your family. Write 5 sentences about your friend. Write 10 sentences about your favorite author. Something like that. So you can answer that creatively.
And also that we can write, take a PDF and upload it in the same portal.
Exactly.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
name is Randhir Kumar.
Randhir. Yeah. Okay.
ये वीडियो लाइव सेशन में क्वेश्चंस पूछना मैंडेटरी है?
See, the question is it mandatory to ask questions in the live sessions? I would always recommend to ask questions because it would help not only you, it would also help others. Randhir, I am answering in English so that everybody understand. Okay.
Actually, I wanted to say that I am listening whatever the other attending asking the same question that is coming in our mind. So why I should repeat the same questions?
No. If you have some other question, that's all right. If it is repeated, then no need to ask, and it is not compulsory to ask. It is not compulsory to attend also. But as you are learning a foreign language, if you attend and participate in these sessions, because आज तो हम लोग जनरल कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं, but अब जैसे हम लोग अभी आने वाले दिनों में we will be having more conversations which would be focusing on language. So you would listen to how to pronounce it correctly, या grammar के जो rules हैं, how to apply them correctly. So it is important for all of you.
Only listening and attending your live session is not enough. Asking question is very mandatory.
It's not compulsory. It is not mandatory.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Sir?
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Nitish.
Okay.
Sir, I just want to know whether this assignment questions will be coming up in this live session or it will be separately notified.
It will be through announcement. We will notify on SWAYAM portal after 1 week.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, but you can discuss everything during these online session also. Suppose you have seen the assignment or project and you are not able to understand something, then you can say, sir, I am not able to understand question number 4 on the assignment number 2. So I will open the assignment and I'll answer that.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I am Shivakumar, sir.
Hello.
Just a second. Mithun, I would like to request you.
Yes, sir.
To request every all participants, since they have asked us a lot of questions,
Yes, sir.
to type their questions as well, and if possible send us email also so that we can have the data how many questions were asked, so for research purpose later.
So everyone is requested to put their questions on chat board also, so that we can have a list of questions available with us for any other sessions, as sir told us, and please do the same.
And another request is to everyone, you please share your feedback about the online session, so that we can work on the feedback and improve it. Okay, Mithun, I think this will also help us in.
Exactly, sir. This is, sir, your voice is going to all. Everyone is able to understand and read your voice, sir.
Okay. Now let's take a few more questions. We will be having another 5 minutes more. 5 minutes more.
Sir, one
and
question,
then,
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Neeraj, sir.
नीरज,
सर ये जो अभी स्टार्टिंग में सर जो आपने मेंशन किया था कि कंटिन्यूअस इवोल्यूशन सिस्टम का पार्ट एक्टिविटी और असाइनमेंट, तो सर तो इसके मार्क्स तो जब सर इसके मार्क्स कंपलसरी नहीं है तो सर फिर ये असाइनमेंट वो जो मार्क्स फाइनल ग्रेड में आता है क्या ये मार्क्स मेंशन नहीं होंगे उसमें?
जैसे ओडीएल में आप क्या करते हैं कि असाइनमेंट होते हैं आपके, है ना? ओडीएल डिस्टेंस लर्निंग का जो प्रोग्राम है उसमें हमने कंपलसरी किया है, लेकिन डिस्टेंस लर्निंग में आप देखते हैं कि हमारे पास प्रोजेक्ट तो नहीं होता है ना उसमें। उसमें हम लोग असाइनमेंट्स लगते हैं, तो उसको हमने शिफ्ट दिया है प्रोजेक्ट के रूप में. So I am not saying that you don't write your assignments. You must attempt so that you can learn. लेकिन suppose if somebody is unable to do it, then should I fail? So I will not fail. I will give examination marks on the basis of your attendance, your participation, and the terminal exam.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm Shiv Kumar, sir.
Yeah.
Can you audible?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I'm an undergraduate student, sir. If suppose in the future my academic semester examination and the course examination will interrupt, what can I do, sir, after the submission of examination form, sir? Will it be changeable?
No. Suppose if you have submitted your examination form and you have paid the fee, it will not be refunded. It will not be refunded because depending upon we will take the center for examination. We have to pay also. And suppose your examinations are clashing.
Yes, sir. Will it postpone to December or what, sir?
You can give examination in December also, but once you have paid the examination fee, it will not be refunded back.
Not about examination fees, sir. Course fees, what about?
Course fee is valid for 1 year, no?
Oh,
So
okay, sir. Okay.
Examination in December also, don't worry.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm Mahesh, sir. I'm Mahesh speaking.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the weightage between project and the exam, sir? Final exam?
See, suppose examination is 100%. 70% is of the final.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Project and continuous assessment is 30%.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Right.
Sir, I'm Sunil Kumar.
Yeah.
I want to know ki I have got the, earlier I got one link in the email that it was mentioning that I can go through your repeated videos in Swayam portal also. So is it better strategy to access your videos of related to language in Swayam portal?
Exactly, वो तो complete, because it is a complete package which we are offering on Swayam as far as syllabus is concerned. The live session is like a class or a counseling session where you can bring your doubts, where you can talk to me as far as pronunciation is concerned, or any other thing which you see.
No, but the Swayam portal is asking for a registration. So whether by automatically our course will means I should be able to access the available you repeated lectures, or I should do the registration.
No, registration, so you have to do it anyway. You must do it. Must register yourself. As far as these live sessions are concerned, जो अभी जैसे हम लोग कर रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
ये भी आर्काइव में रहेगा रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्म में. इसको आप भी देख सकते हैं. मान लीजिए जो लोग अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं आज, the people who are not attending today, they can also have access of today's live session.
Right.
So suppose out of 1000 only 100 people are attending today. Suppose.
Yes, sir.
So these 900 people can have the access, and then they will listen to the questions. Out of these questions, they must be having the same questions, around 80-90% same questions. So they will not be bothering, themselves with the repeated question.
Thank you, sir.
So this is the main purpose. Okay.
Sir, I'm Mahesh again.
Okay, this is the last questions we are taking. Okay, Mithun? Because it's already 5 now. So
Sir,
last question. We are taking the last question now. Mahesh?
Sir.
Let me do the announcement, then you can ask the question, then we'll wind up. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Let me do the announcement. So I would like to request everyone that even after the session, if you have any doubts, if you need more clarification, or if you have any feedback, you please write us an email. You have my email, shivajibhaskar@ignu.ac.in and coe@ignu.ac.in, and share so that we can work. We'll get back to you on Wednesday. Now, Mahesh, you can ask a question.
Sir, my doubt is that your videos are available on YouTube as well, and also on Swayam. So are they both same? And the videos that are there in the Swayam, will they be available till the December? I mean, till the end of this duration of the course?
See, as far as Swayam portal is concerned, first we'll talk about the YouTube. In YouTube, which videos you have, it is for a MOOC course of 12 weeks. However, the content is sufficient. If you look at the videos, the content is sufficient as far as 3 months course is concerned. Now the Swayam portal, which has our videos, it has been divided into different parts, 2 different courses. 8 credits.
I request everyone who is not speaking to switch off their microphone. Only the interactive people who are interacting, they only keep their microphone. Please.
Okay. So the important part is that you can always have access on the YouTube videos, help you. I am talking to Mahesh right now. Others, please mute their microphones. Okay. So it would help you definitely. And as far as these videos are concerned, available on the Swayam portal, we will be taking them back after the completion of the course. But
that is after duration of 1 year, right?
Yes, yes. But definitely in future, they will be available as free source. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Now,
sir, but sir, my doubt is that, but for the videos that are there in the Swayam portal, for I think the last week 8, week 9, only material is there, video is not there.
We are working on that issue. It will be available in 1 week's time. You can log in after 1 week, you will get the assignments and you will get the updated videos as well. Because, okay?
Okay, sir.
So, Mithun, I would like to request you to make the general announcement that please adhere to the official timing of the session, 4 to 5. And if they have any further question, they can always write to us. We'll get back to them. And please share your feedback. I hope everybody enjoyed the session. Now over to you, Mithun, please.
Kindly switch off your microphones, please. Yeah, somebody is still speaking. Someone is still speaking. Please kindly switch off your microphone. Saurabh Raj, please switch off your microphone. And Vagish, please switch off your microphone. And Saurabh Raj, your microphone is still on. Please switch it off. Saurabh Raj, your microphone is still on. Saurabh Raj, your microphone is still on. Please switch it off. Sir, you can give your last comment, sir.
Okay, I would like to request everyone to please adhere to the official timings of the live sessions, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. However, if you have any more questions or would you like to share your feedback, you can always write to us on shivajibhaskar@ignu.ac.in and coe@ignu.ac.in. We'll get back to you. Over to you, Mithun, so that you can repeat the statement once again and we'll wind up the session today.
Yeah, good evening. Anyone who have any sort of queries apart from today's queries, please shoot a mail to sir on shivajibhaskar@ignu.ac.in and a CC mail to coe@ignu.ac.in. 2 of the emails I have already put it on the chat board. Thank you.
All right. I would like to thank everybody for joining the session. We will be in touch with you again on the coming Wednesday from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Mayank Sharma, this side, sir. Your interactive session is highly appreciated, sir. Very appreciated efforts that you have put out. Many of our doubts have, I think, are also being cleared. And thank you very much, sir. We hope further interactive sessions so that we can further relaunch upon the language. Thank you, sir.
Like these sessions are really helpful, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for your precious time, sir.
Thank you so much. We'll be in touch with you all again. Thank you. До свидания. Let's say in Russian. How do we say goodbye? До свидания.
До
свидания.
Yes.
До свидания.
सर वो आपका जो वो ट्रिपल वो जो 3 डॉट्स हैं वहाँ पे आपको रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करनी होगी.
Okay. I have stopped the recording.
Yeah.